given that A equal to B, what is the angle between A vector plus B vector and A vector minus B vector? So in this question we have to find angle between two vectors. So first we will discuss how to find angle between two vectors. Suppose vectors are R1 and R2. If we find angle between these two vectors, which can be calculated with the help of cos theta, which is dot product of these two vectors divided by magnitude of these two vectors. It will give cos theta, and from there we will find theta. Theta representing angle between R1 vector and R2 vector. So with the help of given vector we will first calculate their dot product. So according to quotient, first vector is A vector plus B vector, so we can consider it as R1 vector, and other one is A vector minus B vector, which is considered as R2 vector. So we will see R1 dot R2 means A vector plus B vector should be multiplied with A vector minus B vector, and multiplication should be dot product. So on calculating this one we will get A dot A. We are opening the bracket. Next term is A dot B in negative. Next term is B dot A, and last term will be B dot B. So we are going to use properties of dot product here, that is A dot A, which represents self dot product. Self dot product gives resultant equal to square of its magnitude. Here we are multiplying A vector with A vector, that is A vector dot A vector, which gives us A square. Then it is written A vector dot B vector, and other term is B dot A. So according to properties of dot product, which is first property was commutative law. Commutative law means A dot B will be equal to B dot A. So here we can replace B dot A with A dot B. And last term is B dot B. Again it is a self dot product, and result of self dot product is the square of its magnitude. So magnitude of B vector is B, and its square will be B square. So from here we can see it is A square minus B square, that is dot product of given vectors. Now in question it is given A equal to B, which is given in the question. Therefore dot product of these two vectors will become 0. Hence we are getting dot product of two vectors equal to 0, means these two vectors, that is R1 and R2 vectors, are perpendicular, means angle between them is 90 degree, which is asked in the question. Therefore answer of this question is 90 degree. Thank you.